Hello, I'm Zuki Zingela. I'm the Executive Dean of the Faculty of Health Sciences, and I have the pleasure of welcoming you to the faculty. You will get to hear from me a little bit about the vision of the faculty, but more importantly, you will also get to watch as we tell you more about the faculty. We'll tell you about the vision, we'll tell you about the mission, we'll tell you about the different schools we have in the faculty. You'll also get to hear how to access what you need as you join us in this journey in the chosen field that you have decided on in the Faculty of Health Sciences. So just a bit about the vision of the faculty. We are about supporting you to be the best professional you can be in your chosen field. We're also about inspiring you to do good, to do better, to also do what you can to contribute to changing the world, which is our motto in Nelson Mandela University. We offer you ourselves, we offer you our capabilities, we also offer you our expertise. We expect you to do your part in using that expertise to basically grow yourself into the professional you want to be one day. We expect some dedication from you because you will get the same from us. We also expect you to come into the Faculty of Health Sciences with an understanding that you have chosen a service field, a field which is about serving your community. What we will be asking of you as you take this journey with us is to perform your service for others, your service to community, but without servitude. What that means is that as you walk this road with us, you will also be expected to take care of yourself in your studies, in your chosen fields, in your interaction with colleagues and peers, in your interaction with the community. At every point, we expect you to always remember that it is not only about serving others without taking care of yourself. So we expect you to also be very aware of your mental health needs. We also expect you to make the effort to find out where you can get help when things are not going well. We will always be with you. We will always make sure that you get the support you need. We also have exciting times ahead when you will find inspiration in whatever field you have chosen. How you will find that inspiration could be amongst your peers that you're going to be working with. It could be amongst your tutors and lecturers. It could also be in your everyday work that you're doing. We encourage you to use that inspiration to get to your goals, to make sure that you achieve your goals, to make sure that your experience within the faculty is a transformative one. We welcome you with open arms and open hearts, and we expect you to do the best with the time and opportunity that you've been given. Please remember, this faculty is about you and making sure that you, as the Faculty of Health Science student, are able to achieve your goals. Please also remember to tune into the VC speech on the 29th of January on YouTube. Once again, a warm welcome from myself. You will now get to hear about the different schools from the different directors of school and also about the different departments that we have in the faculty. My hope is that at the end of your journey, you'll be able to look back with pride and inspiration at what you've achieved.
Welcome to Nelson Mandela University Faculty of Health Sciences. We thank you for choosing us to be your academic home for the next few years. We are so excited to be able to share with you our faculty and all it has to offer. We trust that your educational journey will be all that you envisioned to be and more. Please pay close attention to the rest of the Faculty of Health Sciences welcoming video, as this video will provide you with all the information needed to make your educational journey as smooth as possible. Here at the Faculty of Health Sciences, steered by our Deanery Executive Dean, Prof. Zukiswa Zingela, and Deputy Dean, Prof. Delena van Rooyen, our academic programs are offered over 3 schools, namely the School of Behavioral Science and Lifestyle Sciences, the School of Clinical Care and Medicinal Sciences, and the newly established medical school led by its director, Prof. Fikile Nomvete, which welcomes its second student cohort in 2022. Our School of Behavioral and Lifestyle Sciences, under the leadership of Director Prof. Zoleko Soji, consists of the Department of Psychology, Department of Social Development Professions, Department of Environmental Health, Department of Human Movement Sciences, and the Department of Human Nutrition and Dietetics. In the School of Clinical Care and Medicinal Sciences, you will find the Department of Nursing Sciences, Department of Emergency Medical Care, Department of Radiography, Department of Pharmacy, and the Department of Medical Laboratory Sciences under the leadership of the Director of School, Prof. Ilse Truter. All of these departments are supported by the faculty's Learning and Teaching Directorate as well as the Research Directorate. The faculty boasts an offering of over 70 health sciences academic programs, 14 of them being undergraduate programs. All of these programs are currently delivered across 4 of Nelson Mandela University's campuses, namely the South Campus, North Campus, Ocean Sciences Campus, and the Mission Vale Campus, where you will also find our state-of-the-art medical school. The faculty currently hosts around 3,500 students and just over 230 dedicated and motivated staff members enable the faculty to not only provide high-quality education, but also to develop our students into socially responsible and committed healthcare professions as well as citizens. Our vision at the Faculty of Health Sciences is to co-create critical thinking health science graduates with transformative actions who change the world by being in service to society. Our mission is to strive for excellence in higher education by being a leading academic partner in strengthening health and social systems to become more equitable and responsive across all the services they offer. Innovating to further quality education in health, social work, and sport to ensure relevant, capable, and compassionate professionals for South Africa. Advancing research to support innovation, strengthen practice, and inform policy. And inspiring graduates to become visionary leaders in their workplaces, communities, and professions. Here at our faculty, we want to ensure that we produce well-rounded, professional, and knowledgeable healthcare professionals who contribute to the delivery of effective and sustainable healthcare services in our communities. Using an innovative, transformative, distributive teaching model with an emphasis on comprehensive healthcare as well as a focus on leveraging the benefits of technology, we aim to deliver effective health professions education. In addition, we also offer an interprofessional education and collaborative practice approach that sees students come together to learn from, about, and with each other across 11 health sciences disciplines towards the goal of being a faculty in service to society, especially within the Nelson Mandela Bay Metro. The transformative interprofessional education model sees doctors working and studying alongside professional nurses, radiographers, psychologists, environmental health practitioners, pharmacists, emergency medical care students, and the like to offer holistic integrated healthcare. This interprofessional approach allows for sharing of expertise and perspectives to form a common goal of restoring or maintaining an individual's health and improving outcomes while combining resources. Interprofessional education also provides an ability to share skills and knowledge between professions and allows for better understanding, shared values, and respect for the roles of our healthcare professionals. Interprofessional education also provides an ability to share skills and knowledge between professions and allows for a better understanding, shared values, and respect for the roles of other healthcare professionals. Interprofessional education is an approach to develop healthcare students for future interprofessional collaborative teams. The faculty's healthcare ethos includes an emphasis on preventative, promotive, and curative healthcare, all of which emphasized through our work-integrated learning model, which sees our students working directly in communities with people whilst being in service to society. All our departments have a work-integrated learning platform, and all students are expected to participate as part of the curriculum. The time and type of exposure is dependent on the program and department. However, our well-established work-integrated learning platform includes community platform, community clinics and center platforms, hospital platforms, and our mobile educational platforms. Exposure on our work-integrated platforms affords students many benefits that contribute to their educational career. Students get exposed to real work-related activities and scenarios, encouraging them to apply their training at an early stage and gain experience while being under the faculty's guidance and supervision. The work-integrated learning plays an essential role in helping us to achieve our goal of producing fit-for-purpose graduates. The university is currently using a hybrid learning model, which means a mixture of online classes and on-site or in-person lectures will be conducted. Depending on the specific teaching and learning modalities of the program chosen, you will be required to be physically present on campus when stipulated. Your department or first-year coordinators will communicate these specific details in due course. At the Faculty of Health Sciences, we aim to provide students with an overall holistic support system, which includes our professional team of academic administrative consultants who are here to assist you with all your academic program and qualification inquiries. Please familiarize yourself with the qualification-specific step-by-step registration guides provided by your representative faculty consultant, which can be found on health.mandela.ac.za under Step-by-Step Online Registration Platform. Additionally, an email has been sent out to all accepted students outlining clear instructions pertaining to the registration process. All funding-related queries should be directed to the Financial Aid Office, and all payment and fees-related queries are to be directed to the Student Accounts Department. Starting to study at the university comes with its own challenges. New students might move to a different town for the first time. They might find themselves uncomfortable with a new, challenging learning environment or in a new social environment. To provide support, the faculty has dedicated an academic advisor as well as a student success coach to help students with a vast variety of academic, admin, and general challenges that students may experience. Furthermore, Nelson Mandela University has a large variety of clubs and student societies that are open to all students who are wanting to join. These include our world-class Nelson Mandela University Choir, whom you will sometimes see performing in and around our campuses. The faculty has also designed an orientation website, focusing on providing information about the faculty, all its departments, contact details of key role players, an overview of Nelson Mandela University, an introduction to available learning support tools, as well as department-specific orientation material. The link to the orientation website has been distributed via email, and in case you haven't received this, please visit health.mandela.ac.za website, where you will locate the Faculty of Health Sciences Orientation Guide with all the information required. The orientation website also features the contact details for the faculty consultants as well as the departmental secretaries. To find the details of the faculty consultant responsible for your program, please go to health.mandela.ac.za and utilize the First Year Orientation Guide 2022. There you will be redirected to our First Year Orientation page. And if you have not been able to look at the orientation information provided as yet, please take some time to browse the content after the faculty welcome has concluded. Located on this page, you will find a welcome message from our Dean, a link to the faculty academic administrative staff, and links to all of our departments. Utilizing the respective departmental website link, after some departmental specific welcome information, you will be able to find the contact details of your department secretary. The departments have already contacted their first year students via email, providing them with detailed information regarding the upcoming orientation program. The communication will also let you know if activities might be in person, which means mask to mask or online. If you have not received communication from your department, please contact your departmental secretary. You can find their details either on the faculty orientation website or on health.mandela.ac.za. Lastly, we would like to convey a warm welcome to the parents and guardians of our new students. We would like to assure you that here at the Faculty of Health Sciences, we are committed not only to providing the best education possible for your child, but also to convey that the safety and well-being of your child is a priority for us. We have now come to the end of our faculty welcoming video. We hope that this video has provided all that you need to make the years ahead as prosperous and triumphant as possible. We thank you for taking the time to watch this faculty video, and we look forward to welcoming you and your families to Nelson Mandela University, Faculty of Health Sciences. We are very excited to meet all of you, and we are looking forward to a successful year ahead. Goodbye.